Salutations! Nicholas, your friendly neighborhood technical success manager, here for another edition of SignalWire in Seconds. Today, I'll walk you through the second iteration of our AI Agent Builder, an easy-to-use template for SignalWire's highly intelligent, conversational, and customizable call flow agent. Designed specifically for use with WebRTC applications, the inaugural release of SignalWire's AI Agent marked a significant leap forward for programmable, unified communications. Empowered by intuitive AI building blocks, developers and decision makers alike could, for the very first time, seamlessly weave virtual agents into existing infrastructure using minimal coding and plain text instructions. With the second iteration of our AI Agent Builder, SignalWire seeks to further streamline the integration of our sophisticated virtual agent with our robust suite of communication APIs. Using a mixture of predefined functions, drag and drop logic, and fill-in-the-blank knowledge banks, would-be telecom developers can expedite the creation of a newly bespoke AI agent via the simple engineering of a conversations flow. Follow along for the next few minutes as I endeavor to build a serverless, dynamic AI agent capable of answering customer queries and transferring phone calls, all from the comfort of my SignalWire dashboard. I'll begin by visiting the AI Agents tab of my SignalWire space. Herein, I'll select Add New, then define a conversation flow to initiate the design process for a basic, albeit mighty, virtual agent. As you can see, the first section of our builder corresponds to my AI agent's name, prompt, and personality. These selections will ultimately set the tone and context for callers' forthcoming conversations with my agent. During today's demonstration, I'll imagine my agent is the virtual concierge at a popular alpine resort. Now it's time to give my AI agent a name. I'll go with Gustav. Up next is the introduction. Here, it's essential to be clear and concise. Front-loading my virtual agent with an excess of information could hinder its decision-making further along in the conversation flow. Now on to the language module. This allows me to customize the synthesized voice that callers will soon associate with my AI agent. Using the drop-down menus, I can specify a language, and in some cases, a dialect. I can also specify a gender and choose from a selection of voices provided by Amazon Polly, Google Cloud, and 11 Labs, many of which are multilingual. Fillers, such as or ah, help my concierge sound more lifelike and fill the dead air that can sometimes occur when an AI agent executes a defined function or fetches information from a third-party system. The personality dropdown allows me to imbue Gustav with a preset persona that is either informal, professional, or witty. These choices are an abstraction of prompt configuration parameters, such as temperature, that govern the randomness of my AI agent's responses. If you're interested in learning more about these parameters, or quoting a SignalWire AI agent from scratch, pop over to developer.signalwire.com for technical documentation and in-depth tutorials. For quality control and customer assurance purposes, conversation transcriptions may be enabled to provide a written record of my virtual agent's interactions. Likewise, advanced configuration affords me another opportunity to positively impact the caller's experience with my AI agent. For instance, I can set a background file to further mitigate the dead air that may occur while my AI agent is accessing a database or executing an API request. This will enable me to play music or ambient noises in the background of a call while the AI converses in the foreground. The local time zone feature is useful for accurately portraying a schedule of appointments and activities relative to their physical location. Speaking of activity, the inactivity timeout is the amount of time in milliseconds the virtual agent will wait for the caller to respond. I can alter the default value to ensure that my AI agent will disconnect an abandoned call in a timely fashion. The skills and behavior section takes a modular approach to furnishing my AI agent's abilities and knowledge base. Rather than forcing me to write a lengthy, comprehensive prompt from the outset, these building blocks conveniently ensure that the content I supply is well organized. Compartmentalization also aids in narrowing my virtual agent's interpretation of information supplied by the caller. Unifying these modules is a data map that enables my AI agent to answer specific questions and execute pre-programmed functions, like transferring calls. By analyzing keyword patterns within the data map, these skills and behaviors ensure tokens, the bytes of information processed by my AI agent, are used judiciously. In delivering precise, on-demand information, the AI agent elevates a caller's experience above that of traditional IVRs, ensuring interactions are quick, concise, and meaningful. One such component of knowledge is the hours of operation module. Using this, I can dictate the lobby hours to my guests. As I previously alluded to, the transfer calls module enables my virtual agent to reach a plethora of PSTN numbers and SIP endpoints. Listening for keywords of my choosing, like booking or excursions, callers can instantly connect with specialized live representatives. Custom knowledge or behavior provisions my AI agent with info about my product. For example, I can introduce selling points based on the resort's numerous amenities. When callers inquire about specific offerings, my virtual agent will provide an accurate and detailed response. Onto the final aspect of architecting my AI agent, the titular conversation flow. Herein, I'll draw up the blueprint for virtual voice interactions that are to follow. By outlining the basic steps to any successful phone call, a warm greeting, a kind offering, and a thoughtful parting, I shape the caller's expectations and introduce a certain level of conversational conformity to each dialogue. Behind the scenes, SignalWire's AI Agent Builder formats my written instructions in a numbered list using Markdown, focusing the virtual agent's considerable power of perception on the task at hand. Behind the scenes, SignalWire's AI Agent Builder formats my written instructions in a numbered list using Markdown, focusing the virtual agent's considerable power of perception on the task at hand. Now that I've completed my setup, let's try giving my AI agent a call.
Good day to you. Here at the Grand Alpine Resort, the snow-capped peaks stand as sentinels of the wintry wonder that surrounds us. The air is crisp, and the mountains are alive with the promise of adventure and relaxation. How may I assist you today? I can provide information about the lobby's operating hours, transfer you to booking or excursion representatives, and share details about our resort's amenities.
Hi there, could you please give me a brief overview of your amenities?
At the Grand Alpine Resort, we offer a range of amenities to ensure a delightful and memorable stay. Our state-of-the-art spa provides rejuvenating treatments with breathtaking mountain views. You can also enjoy our heated outdoor pool surrounded by snow-capped peaks and unwind in the soothing warmth of the indoor hot tubs. Culinary delights await at our gourmet restaurants, where world-class chefs craft delectable dishes inspired by the flavors of the Alps. For adventure seekers, our resort provides seamless access to thrilling skiing and snowboarding slopes, ensuring an adrenaline-packed experience. How may I assist you further?
Well, that sounds wonderful. Could you please pass me off to booking so I may make a reservation?
Welcome to the Grand Alpine Resorts booking team.
In just mere minutes, I've shown you a rapidly prototyped, conversant, and capable virtual assistant using the Define a Conversation Flow feature of SignalWire's AI Agent Builder. Be sure to check out our blogs over at signalwire.com for further information about SignalWire's AI Agent. There, you'll also learn how to design your own multifaceted functions and connect your virtual agent to outside databases or CRMs using Swag, SignalWire's AI Gateway. That's all I have time for today. For more SignalWire in seconds, be sure to smash that subscribe button below.